Senor Scotty.
Cheers. Mazel tov. Whatever works for you.
Tomato, tomato. I see there's a brand new control arm with new ball joint and new bushings and all new fun down here. Yes? No? Maybe so? All right, down the hatch. So.
Okay, stay inside. Stay inside.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Ooh, there's our old arm.
And if you look, you can now see that it's starting to dry rot. So we did catch it at a really good time.
Yeah. I mean, you can't just replace just the bulb.
No, you can't. So this one isn't as bad as the other side was.
Yeah.
But it was still bad.
Definitely a replace in pairs situation.
Yes, correct. So
but there that one is. Look at that. Pretty.
Cleaned up the spring.
Yeah.
The actual axle will get re-greased again.
Yep, had to pop it out.
That's the easiest one to do.
Yeah, just bing, bang, boom.
Axle. Xander went to go get lunch, so when he gets back, and after lunch, he'll do that side.
Get this assembled.
We'll get the front end done. Wheels and tires are next door getting the new tires put on, so we're good. Once those are done and the axles are done and everything's back in, we'll button up the front end, and then we'll get to the back end.
Gotcha. Yeah.
If there is time.
Yeah.
Hopefully there is. There shouldn't be an issue, but
worst comes to worst, finish it up.
Things are not coming apart as easily as you'd expect.
Worst comes to worst, we finish it up tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly, which is not a big deal.
And then it's done tomorrow.
Yep, exactly.
No big deal.
But yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah, it's looking good.
But I want to clean everything up as it goes back on, the old parts.
Yes.
Because you know the way I get. I want a client to be able to look at their car and go, yep, I know so-and-so did that that day, that week, whatever.
Yeah, it's
I don't
nice.
want to put dirty parts with new parts. I just don't think that's right.
Sometimes you play with dirty parts.
No, I make sure I wash them first.
Oh, Jesus.
Every single time.
Alrighty. So with that, we're good.
Yes, sir.